Hi guys, if you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. I know the lighting is so awful, but I don't know. Let me see whether it can focus. Can focus. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. Yeah, this is much better. So I got ready for the fourth time in this 2 days. For today, it is the awards night. I know Kusuma will be going live now, so I know it's right on time. I wanted to show her, but unfortunately, I couldn't. So yesterday was the awards night for overall. It was all over Senegence. So it was. Hi Shobna, thank you so much Shobna, it's all because of you I had this dress. Shobna claimed this dress but she gave it to me because I wanted a blue dress for the Dominion night. Hi Kavita, thank you so much guys. I know you all are heading to Kusuma's live, but I thought I will wanted to show you before I head on. So what I did was, today was a silver and gold. So I did all over glacier glitter. That's the color I have all over, and I used blue as my eyeliner for today. If you have never used Shadow Sense, you all should try, because this way you don't have to worry about it smudging. It is not going to transfer. So I have used the blue liner because it matched my dress perfectly. So I have used blue as an eyeliner, and I have used navy pencil. So that's the look actually. It's a very simple look because it's going to be just with our team. As you know, this year I was able to do so much in my team group. So this will be really nice so that everybody can cheer on each other. So that's what I'm going to head on. And for my lips, I know this color is no more, but it's been so long I wore this color. So this is Kiss My Sass. When Rockstar got released, it reminded me of this shade. This is the Make It Mine contest winner created last year, and it's a sold out shade. So this will happen again for Rockstar too. So whenever they create their own shade, it gets sold out so quick, because being in this industry, they know what color works for every skin tone. So this is a color. It used to be such a pretty pink. I know very few of you have this shade, and it's as I said, it's a sold out shade. It's not available anymore, and I sealed it with a pink fortune glass for today, because since it is more of a pink gold and blue, I kept the lips with blue, and I also did Firefly as my blush, and I did blue liner because I wanted to do today morning, not today morning, yesterday night. But yesterday night I had that, since it had gold elements, I went with that. Today obviously it had more silver ones, so I paired it with just a silver stud so that I can match my eye look with that. That's the one I did, and I placed the order for the new colors. I grabbed a few extras because, as I said, these colors will go out so soon. Once limited editions goes, I can never get. I know everyone who ordered the green and purple pencil, they all know how much I'm struggling to get hold of those. Once they are sold out in the website, they won't be available for me to grab unless Senegence re-release them. There is no way to get it. So if you are looking for these colors, please make sure you grab it. And I am really excited for the lip mask. So that's the one. I think it's arriving either Monday or Tuesday. I will keep you posted. I may change this week's schedule a little bit based on the new arrivals. Usually I try to stick with Monday and Tuesday with new arrivals, and Tuesday I used to do like a skincare video and all. I will try how much I can catch up, because even tomorrow I will have my regular Hi Jyoti. Jyoti, I yesterday messaged you. I don't know whether you saw the message or not. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. I know all of you are busy going to head out to Kusuma's live. Send her some love. I know she needs that today. And I am heading out for my team's awards night to cheer on everybody there because they all were there. Hi, Bob. Thank you so much for hopping on. So they all will be there because whenever I needed any help, they all helped me so much to grow this year. So I am there to cheer on them today. Good, enjoy your evening. I am also, that's why I wanted to finish this live little earlier. That way I get to go and relax with the team, and then I call it off a day. So the official training is over for today. Hi Bob, thank you. Hey, I wore the dress. Now it's your turn to wear the pink dress. I know you have the same. So I will post the pictures for today, and as I said, tomorrow will be the last day of training and it's just a half a day. I will see whether I can hop on live before that because I have some things to finish off. If I can't, I will just say hi for a quick second, and I know Sunday I want you guys to relax too. So catch you up all next week and have a wonderful day, guys. As I said, Rockstar, I have placed few extras, and also I have placed a few extras for the lip mask. So the Neotite, I heard so much goodness about that. So I know I have many customers who use the dark circle, and the dark circle is permanently sold out. So it's no more available. So they all will be transitioning to what to say, like the Neotite going forward. So that's an update. Thank you, Bob. That's what, like with Senegens, you can wear pretty much anything. So blue is such a powerful shade, and it's such a positive shade. So today I wore like blue eyeliner alone, so to tie the entire look with the light blue. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.